And a busy day to the start of the day weather-wise. We join Darren in the Weather Center.
And with everything else going on, Devin, let's not overlook the fact that there's been lightning in the sky, and that's been one other thing to keep an eye out on. Let me show you what it looks like on high-def Doppler. You can see most of the showers are moving off to the north, but look at all the strikes of lightning that show up on a 3-hour loop. Most of this happened within the last 6 hours, and it started to quiet down really about 3 hours ago. But if we slow it down and just watch the last hour, where's the focus of this now? See the strikes of lightning showing up here in the North Bay? This is the same batch that had been over much of the East Bay about 3 hours ago. It's now drifted its way up north, and there isn't a whole lot left now. In fact, just a few showers showing up in far Sonoma County. But look where the real action is. If you just widen your perspective a little bit, there's a whole complex of pretty and nasty thunderstorms lined up just north of the Bay Area. And that's where the focus of this storm is going to be. I'm going to show you the rainfall totals for California as a whole in a bit. But first, let's come back to the Bay Area. Let me show you what's going to happen over the next few hours. We're going to keep the rain going in the North Bay a bit. A few scattered showers. I just played us ahead to 9 a.m. There's really not a lot here. The best from this storm happened in the overnight hours. But still, having said that, we're not entirely done with it. So the sky's going to look stormy today. We're going to keep a small chance of a few isolated showers left over, but we're really not going to get a lot out of this. And by the time we get to the evening, we're done. And if we look at the rainfall totals, maybe another 0.05 of an inch of rain up in Santa Rosa for the North Bay, but it doesn't really look like we'd get much measurable anywhere else. Now, if we change our perspective, look what's going to happen to the far northern fifth of the state. You get up towards Crescent City, Eureka, Redding. Let me put some numbers on that. We're going to get over 1.5 inches of rain today on the far northwest coast. That is out of the ordinary for this time of year. It's a real unique system. We missed out on the bulk of the excitement, but we didn't miss out on all of it. Look at the view from the Salesforce Tower looking down to the south. That is light rain. You can see that mist coming down out of the bottom of the clouds. There's not a lot to that. These storms appear to not have the same structure to them that we're going to see much lightning out of this down here in the South Bay. That's what it looks like over San Jose right now, just to zoom further in that direction and get a closer look. But we cannot rule out the possibility for a stray lightning strike still through the morning. Even though the bulk of the action has passed, the possibility is still there through the first half of the day. If you're wondering how we did with rain, well, we got about 0.05 of an inch of rain so far in Santa Rosa. Richmond, you got 1/100 of an inch of rain and quite a lightning show just about 3 hours ago. Let me show you where we'll be for daytime highs today. We're in the mid-60s now. Under cloudy skies, we'll go into the mid-70s, and as we look across the rest of the 7-day forecast, today's the most exciting day in it. Leftover clouds on Sunday, and then we start a warm-up by the middle of next week. Does not look like it's going to be as hot as what we went through at the end of this last week. But we're still going to go back up into the low 90s for daytime highs by Wednesday. I'll see you with